In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about comparing two popular trading platforms, Tradovate and TradingView. Both of these platforms have become a staple for traders worldwide, yet they cater to slightly different needs and trading styles. So, let's unpack what each of these platforms offers and how they can serve your trading journey. Tradovate specializes in futures trading, offering a robust environment for those focused on this particular market. If you're a futures trader, you'll appreciate Tradovate's emphasis on fast trade execution and direct market access. This is crucial because delays can significantly impact your trades and returns. By providing a platform designed specifically for futures, Tradovate excels at delivering a seamless trading experience for this market. On the other hand, TradingView is renowned for its advanced charting and analysis tools. Unlike Tradovate, TradingView supports a broader array of markets, including stocks, crypto, forex, and futures. This versatility makes it an attractive choice for traders who want to explore multiple markets or those who prioritize comprehensive analysis. The platform is particularly lauded for its user-friendly interface, making it accessible even to beginners who are just stepping into the world of trading. Interestingly, these two platforms can work hand in hand. You can connect Tradovate to TradingView, allowing you to leverage the powerful charting capabilities and analysis tools of TradingView while executing your trades through Tradovate. This connectivity offers the best of both worlds, precise market access with Tradovate and insightful analysis with TradingView. For traders who want to maintain a focused futures trading strategy but need enhanced analysis, this integration could be a perfect fit. When it comes down to choosing between the two, TradingView is often considered the more versatile option. This is largely due to its broad market support and rich feature set, which appeals to traders who want flexibility and depth in their analysis. Whether you're interested in understanding market trends, identifying patterns, or using intricate indicators, TradingView offers a toolkit that is adaptable and powerful. For beginners, its user-friendly design simplifies the learning curve, allowing you to dive deep into market analysis without feeling overwhelmed. Tradovate remains an excellent choice for traders whose primary focus is futures. Its platform is optimized to deliver performance specifically in this area, making it a preferred choice for those who trade futures exclusively and need rapid execution paired with minimal latency. In conclusion, your choice between Tradovate and TradingView should align with your trading goals and market interests. If comprehensive analysis across multiple markets is what you seek, TradingView stands out. However, if your heart is set on futures trading with fast execution, Tradovate is built for the task. Ultimately, understanding your needs will guide you to the platform that can best support your trading journey.